are 4 new Goodyear Racing Eagle tires. They are ready to go up to speed. Who's going to get it to racing in the North Carolina Education
He'll lead the pack off turn number 2. Slides right up in front of the second place car. The guy who led most of race 1, Corey Heim.
Corey Heim's got to look to his left now. All of a sudden, he's going to see Kyle Busch's nose right down below him. He wants that second spot. Is Honeycutt